how to change your Gmail address on Android. So if you want to change your Gmail address on Android, then first you need to open up your Gmail application. Once you open your Gmail, go for the upper right, tap on your profile and choose the account in which you would like to change the Gmail address. So for example, I'll be choosing an account. Once you've chosen, now go for the profile again and tap on manage your Google account. And under this, you need to go for personal information. Under personal information, if you scroll down here, you will have contact info, right? So tap on your email under your contact info. Under your email here, you can see that you will have your Google account email, right? But you won't have an option to change your Gmail address because you have created your Gmail address with that name. But if you want to add a recovery email, then you will have an option of add a recovery. Simply tap on add recovery email, and then you can add a recovery email in case you forget your password or in case you lost your mobile number or email. So that's it. You can't change your Gmail, but you can add a recovery email. Adding recovery email will help you to address where Google can contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or if you get logged out. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.